Hello everyone. This video demonstrates how to create a double-sided reversible knit. Both sides will have the same knitting technique, producing a lovely airy fabric with a vertical relief. The pattern consists of 3 stitches in 1 row. To start, cast on a multiple of 3 loops plus 2 edge stitches, and then you can begin. On both sides, we will work with loops in groups of 3. Knit the first from the bottom row, purl the third, and then purl the second. Repeat this sequence. Knit the first from the bottom row, purl the third, then purl the second. On the other side, the pattern is the same. Knit the first from the bottom row, purl the third, and then purl the second. Knit the first from the bottom row, purl the third, and then purl the second. This openwork knit is perfect for summer clothing as it's airy and meshy. It's also suitable for beach scarves, capes, and vests since it is double-sided. If you're looking for ideas on creating a beautiful side border for a shawl, cape, or cardigan, check out the following 2 links for a 2 or 3 stitch side border. I hope this information has been helpful and you'll find this knitting technique useful in future projects. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.